We're having kitty playtime with kittens who don't have any applications in for them, but they're wonderful. A little bit shy. But this one's Superstore. He's the least shy, obviously. This one is Register. Hi, Register. He's a very sweet boy, a little bit shy. This one over here is, Merchandise. She's a little brown tabby girl. Huh, she's a little bit shy too. And this one here is Department. She's a gray tabby. See, she loves the little rope toys. Sweet girl. And this one over here is Checkout. Hi, Checkout. He's my little bobtail boy. And he is the most shy, but also purrs like crazy whenever he finally calms down and trusts. And they all love their toys. Huh. And their treats. Huh? And they're all fixed and vaccinated up to date. And tested negative for leukemia. Dewormed. Microchipped. Yes. And they might need a calmer home at first. But they've all opened up pretty well over time. Huh, they just had a hard upbringing before coming into foster care. But they said they want to be indoor kitties. And they're looking for love. They're looking for love, huh? Hi. Hello.